Hey guys, Team Miracle 4 here.
I'm Roxy,
I'm Pton.
and today I'm using Great Nature.
Yes, I'll be using Kagero, Dragonic Overlord the Great. Okay.
We draw 3.
We draw 3. Look through that. Ouch. Okay, so largest go first. Roll dice. 1.
4.
You go first. Stand up.
Now, Vanguard. Leopald Parrot.
Lizard Runner undo.
Draw. Alright, Pencil Square Hammsuke. Draw. I am at turn.
Draw. Just nice. Alright, Flame of Hope Airmore. Starter skill draw. 8,000 to your Hammsuke.
No gun.
Drive check. Heal trigger. Power to
Damage
Vanguard.
check, no trigger.
Button.
Draw. Alright, Pencil Nut Hammsuke.
Okay.
9,000 to your Vanguard.
40.
Oh, 14,000 to your Vanguard.
No gun.
Drive check, heal trigger. Power to my Vanguard.
Damage check. No
I am at
trigger.
turn.
Okay, my force. My turn.
Yes.
Stand and draw. Alright, Berserk Dragon. Skill. Counter blast 1. Soul blast 1. Can retire and draw. I call Dragonic Neoflame. 10,000 to your Vanguard.
No gun, damage check.
10,000 to your Vanguard. Trigger
No
no
gun.
bus. Drive check. Berserk.
Damage check, no trigger.
Your turn.
Stand and draw. G assist. Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Hmm?
Throw 2 cards away. Right. Pencil Hero Hammsuke. I get Accel 2. Can I draw first?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I discard 2 cards and
So Hammsuke's effect. Yeah. Search your.
discard now. Search my deck for the grade 2 Hammsuke and.
Oh, you have to get another Accel gift.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you get first and then you search. It's okay.
Oh,
It's okay.
okay. And I call.
And then draw 1 with this Accel.
Call Tank Mouse. My Vanguard attacks your
Okay.
Vanguard. So just drawn. Okay, 18,000 to your Vanguard.
No gun.
Swing draw, first check, second check, no trigger.
Damage check. Critical trigger. Power to my Vanguard.
Hammsuke gets 3,000, so 12,000 to Neoflame.
No gun.
12, 17, your turn.
My turn. Stand and draw. Alright, Dragonic Overlord. Force 1. 2 Vanguard. Hand size.
7.
I call Berserk Dragon. Skill Counter Blast 1. Soul Blast 1. I retire Pencil Knight Hammsuke.
Alright.
Yeah, grade 3. Okay, and yeah. I'll just call a second Overlord. So 10,000. Oh, wait, no, because I have more rare guys than you, gets 3,000, so 13 to your Vanguard.
No guard, damage check.
This is 23,000 to your Vanguard. I cannot use the skill because I have no canvas.
33.
23.
23. No guard.
Twin drive, first check. Second check, no trigger.
Damage check, no trigger.
13,000 to your Vanguard. 5k card.
Down monoculus.
Your turn.
Stand and draw. Alright, Leopald. Accel 2, draw. Leopald skill. Normal unit. Search the top 4 for Silver Wolf. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll mill again. Still a normal unit, so I search the top 4. And a superior called Geograph Giant and Binoculars Tiger.
Okay.
I use timeout skill.
Oh, okay.
Superior call Barcode Zebra.
No,
Wait.
you add it to your hand.
I add it to my
Yeah.
hand and then I call Barcode Zebra here. Yeah. And I call Pencil Knight Hammsuke.
Okay.
Binoculars Tiger attacks your Vanguard skill. Counterblast. Middle top card, it's a normal unit draw. So
So,
14,000 to your Vanguard. Barcode Zebra gets 5,000.
okay. Intercept.
Okay. Barcode attacks Dragonic Overlord.
How much?
14.
No guard.
18,000 to your Vanguard.
No guard.
Twin draft first check. Second check, no trigger.
Damage check, no trigger.
Okay. Pencil Knight attacks with the boost from Silver Wolf. Silver Wolf gets 4,000. So it's 21,000 to your Vanguard.
10,000 guard. Right?
Yeah.
No guard. Damage check. Critical trigger.
Okay.
Power to Vanguard.
Geograph is 1722, so cannot hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My turn. Not yet.
I use Pencil Square Hammsuke skill.
Okay.
So blast. Move into a soul and then I search for the Great Tool.
Still have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I am my turn.
Stand and draw. Alright. Dragonic Overlord the Great. Force 1 to rear guard. When Dragonic Overlord the Great is placed on Vanguard Circle, I can superior call Dragonic Neo Flame to rear guard circle. I'll call Flame of Hope Aermo and Sable Dragonic. I call the second Dragonic Neo Flame. 20,000 to your Vanguard. 10k guard.
I got a Monoculus Tiger.
Okay, my Vanguard will attack your Vanguard. Skill of Neo Flames. They give 5k each to my Vanguard. So my Vanguard is currently at 23, 33. 33 plus 8, that's 41,000 to your Vanguard.
Nullify.
Twin drive, first check. Draw trigger. I'll give the power to this Neo Flame. Draw 1 card. Second check. No trigger. I'll activate my Vanguard's Counterblast. Since I have a Grade 3 in the soul, in discard 2 cards from my hand. Bari and Berserk Dragon. Restand my Vanguard and restand Dragonic Neo Flame. 20,000 to your Vanguard, 10k guard.
No guard, damage check.
Okay. My Vanguard attacks your Vanguard. Skill for Neo Flame, they give 10,000 to my Vanguard. So 33,000 to your Vanguard.
33, so one trigger is 43.
I only have one check.
So 43.
You're at 12, so
So got 47 for 2 pass. For no pass.
no pass.
Yeah.
Drive trigger check. Critical trigger. All effects to my rear guard Dragonic Neo Flame. This will attack for 38. Aermo skill, when it boosts, plus 3,000. So 10, 20, 38, 41,000 to your Vanguard. Double crit.
41, so 30k guard.
Yep.
Intercept.
Okay, your turn.
Send and draw. Alright, Leopald.
Oh no.
Accel 2, draw. Okay. Mill the top card, normal unit. Okay, I'm decking out.
Not really.
Um,
Still like.
Call Silver Wolf and Tank Mouse. I don't call Tank Mouse.
Okay, so it's only Silver Wolf.
Yeah.
Barcode.
Barco gets 5,000. Second check, tank. Okay,
Normal unit. Right.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, I don't call anything.
Okay.
I'll use tank mouse skill to get back tank mouse.
Okay. Barcode.
Gets, yeah. Should have gotten back monoculus. Call. Okay.
Oh wow, that can't hit.
Yeah, but I have a lot of triggers left.
I see. Okay.
So, 18,000 to your bank.
18. This is 10k. It's 14. 33. 2 pass.
Okay,
Let's go.
first check critical. How many cards on hand?
I have 6 cards on my hand.
6 cards.
2 intercepts. 4 damage.
Also Vanguard. Okay, it's not.
Oh,
Front.
Front.
Okay, so power to front
Front.
unit.
So 2 damage.
Yeah.
First check. Airmo. Second check. New Flame. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. That's the game between Great Nature and Kagero. Bye guys. Okay guys, so that is the end of the single match between Kagero and Great Nature, where I was using my proxied Kagero Dragonic Overlord, the Great focused deck, and Roxy was using a Hammsuke / Leopald deck. And the winner is Roxy with a Great Nature deck. So even though Roxy misgraded, or rather she G-assisted, she didn't really lose out that much on card advantage because of Accel 2 and the fact that Hammsuke, the grade 3 Hammsuke, allows her to get 2 Accel 2's markers as long as she has both the grade 1 and the grade 2 in the soul, which she did manage to write successfully. So coupled with the fact that Roxy was going first, she was basically ahead of me even though she G-assisted for the game. And then subsequent turns, she went into Leopald, and Leopald just gives a lot of advantage, especially if she has a grade 3 in the soul, which she does, which is Hammsuke. So every turn she's like calling out at least 2 rear guards and 2 to actually 4 rear guards. So because Roxy was milling normal units, so even though it's quite luck based, it's still very strong. And even if she didn't mill the normal units to call out rear guards and she milled a trigger unit instead, it would still have been pretty tough for me to guard, especially considering the number of attacks, and my hand size wasn't that big as well for the game. So yep, that's the end of the game. The winner is Great Nature. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos will be coming out soon, and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.